Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to change the rear wiper blade on a 2015 Jeep Wrangler. It's actually kind of a simple process. It looks more difficult, but just hold this arm firmly, grab your wiper and push it. Push towards the glass, because it's just a little thin prong that holds it in there. To reinstall the new one, just line that prong up and just snap it down in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.